Hi everybody, welcome to the cookbook kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes. We are going to try out Bizcochitos. Yes, we are trying out this Mexican holiday cookie from the Joy of Cookies Cookbook. Let's see what you're working with so that we can begin. I have some all-purpose flour, baking powder and cinnamon, salt and crushed anise seeds. I have an egg, orange juice. I have lard and sugar in this big bowl. We are going to mix our flour, salt and crushed anise seeds, baking powder and cinnamon, and then we mix this. The star anise has a really nice smell. Aside, we're going to beat our lard and our sugar until light and fluffy. Then we'll add the egg. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of our orange juice. As we continue mixing, we will do this until we finish all the juice. We're going to add our flour, but you're going to add it half a cup at a time. Then we mix.
Sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strain.
I'm going to refrigerate it for 4 hours or until firm to handle. We are back many hours later. I've kept mine for more than 4 hours overnight. Yes, it's okay. Now it's time to roll. Cut out our cookies.
Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on top of each cookie. You're going to bake them for 11 to 15 minutes or until they are golden brown around the edges.
Oh come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel, that mourns in lonely exile here, until the Son of God appears. Rejoice.